Greetings, everyone. It's good to have you back on our channel. Are you struggling to get traffic on your website and convert visitors into paying customers? If yes, then you need not worry anymore, as I have some great news that will brighten up your day in no time. Allow me to introduce you to ClickFunnels, a tool that will prove to be your savior when it comes to driving traffic to your website and converting visitors into customers. With ClickFunnels, you can create a sales funnel that guides your visitors through a series of steps, ultimately leading them to purchase on your website. Sounds good, right? You can find more information about ClickFunnels in the links provided in our video description. If you're new to the world of online business, you might be wondering what a sales funnel is and how it can help you achieve success. Let me break it down for you with an analogy that will hopefully make things clearer. Imagine your website as a shiny store that you've built in the middle of the desert. It looks great, but without a funnel, it's like having a store with no roads leading to it. The result? Nothing. No customers, no sales, just a lot of confusion and disappointment. So why should you care about funnels? Well, besides the fact that they're the secret sauce to online success, they're also the difference between you joining the ranks of the internet graveyard or riding high on the wave of success. By flipping that funnel upside down, you can create a stream of customers, a simple buying process, and more sales than you can shake a stick at. A sales funnel can help you increase your conversion rates, build relationships with your customers, and ultimately grow your business. It's a must-have tool for anyone looking to succeed in the online world. Finally, Eileen Wilder is another entrepreneur who has benefited from using ClickFunnels. She credits the platform for earning her family more revenue in one day than they ever had before. Her success story is a testament to the effectiveness of ClickFunnels in boosting revenue and accelerating business growth. Overall, it's clear that ClickFunnels is a powerful tool that has helped many business leaders achieve their goals. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your business to the next level, ClickFunnels can help you get there. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for ClickFunnels' free trial today in the link in our description below and start your journey to the opposite of sadness. Trust me, you won't regret it. Now, let's dive a little deeper into what ClickFunnels brings to the table, shall we? ClickFunnels funnels customers to you. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through your favorite social media site and clicking on an ad that caught your attention? The ad was likely created using ClickFunnels, a popular funnel builder software that has taken the online marketing world by storm. But ClickFunnels is much more than just a funnel builder. It's a comprehensive marketing platform that offers a variety of tools to help you sell and deliver your products online. From creating stunning landing pages and sales funnels to managing your email marketing campaigns and automating your sales process, ClickFunnels has got you covered. With ClickFunnels as your trusted sidekick, you can take your online business to new heights and dominate your niche. Whether you're a digital marketer, blogger, or e-commerce store owner, ClickFunnels has everything you need to succeed in today's competitive online landscape. Your website. If you are tired of spending countless hours creating a website, then ClickFunnels Funnel Hubs is the ultimate solution you need. With Funnel Hubs, you can create a beautiful and high-converting website with ease and in no time. Regardless of your technical skills, you can create a website that is customized to your taste and optimized to drive more sales and leads to your business. Funnel Hubs is an intuitive and user-friendly platform that makes website creation a breeze. Say goodbye to the old ways of website creation and embrace Funnel Hubs for a better website building experience. Your online store. If you're looking for an easy and efficient way to sell your products online, ClickFunnels Cart Funnels can make the process a breeze. With Cart Funnels, you can quickly upload your products and create a customized checkout page that's designed to maximize conversions and drive sales. Whether you're selling physical or digital products, Cart Funnels gives you the power to create a seamless buying experience for your customers, complete with one-click upsells and order bumps. Plus, with ClickFunnels' built-in analytics and tracking tools, you can keep a close eye on your sales and optimize your funnels for maximum profitability. So why wait? Start building your money-making machine today with ClickFunnels Cart Funnels. Your membership site. Are you looking for a reliable way to generate recurring revenue for your business? Look no further than ClickFunnels membership sites. With this powerful tool, you can create and manage a successful subscription-based business with ease. Whether you offer online courses, exclusive content, or other premium services, membership sites make it simple to set up and manage your subscriptions. The best part, you can keep your customers engaged and coming back for more with fresh content delivered straight to their inboxes. From newsletters and updates to new products and services, membership sites make it easy to stay connected with your subscribers and keep them engaged with your brand. So why wait? Start building your subscription-based business today with ClickFunnels membership sites. Your CRM. In today's competitive business world, keeping track of your customers is essential for growth and success. ClickFunnels CRM, Customer Relationship Management, is a powerful tool that can help you in this regard. With its comprehensive features, you can easily track your customers' growth in real time, monitor their behavior, and get valuable insights to make informed decisions. One of the most significant advantages of ClickFunnels CRM is that it enables you to trigger automated funnels based on your customers' behavior. You can set up various triggers, such as when a customer subscribes to your newsletter, abandons their cart, or makes a purchase. Once the trigger is activated, the CRM will automatically send targeted and personalized messages to your customers, increasing the chances of conversion. Your email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool that can help you grow and engage with your audience, and ClickFunnels' email marketing feature makes it easier for you to achieve these goals. With ClickFunnels, you can send out email broadcasts to your subscribers, set up automated campaigns to nurture leads and track your revenue growth over time. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, ClickFunnels email marketing can help you connect with your audience and drive more sales for your business. Your analytics. In today's competitive business world, data plays a crucial role in making informed decisions to grow your business. ClickFunnels Analytics is a powerful tool that provides you with all the necessary insights to monitor and track important metrics, from open rates to page conversion rates. With this data, you can analyze your business performance and make informed decisions to optimize your sales funnel and improve your bottom line. Landing pages are another powerful feature that helps you create high-converting pages quickly and easily, without any technical skills. With ClickFunnels landing pages, you can create beautiful, high-converting pages that are optimized for conversions. Moreover, ClickFunnels also offers a global product feature that enables you to sell your products in multiple currencies and languages, making it easier for you to reach a wider audience and expand your business globally. So, if you want to take your business to the next level, ClickFunnels is the perfect tool for you. Start your free trial today using the link in our description below and experience the amazing features that ClickFunnels has to offer. Trust me, once you try it, you won't look back. Conclusion. If you're having difficulty attracting a steady stream of visitors to your website, fear not, as ClickFunnels is here to help. This remarkable platform is designed to make your life easier, thanks to its intuitive interface and powerful features, enabling you to convert visitors into paying customers in no time. So, why wait? Take advantage of ClickFunnels' free trial by clicking on the link provided in the description below and see for yourself why top-tier entrepreneurs such as Damon John, Ty Lopez, and Eileen Wilder are swearing for it. Trust us, it's a decision that your future self will be grateful for. And don't forget to like, subscribe to, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.